We are making microwave kettle corn in a paper bag. I did a video a while back where you could make it on the stovetop. Now we can make it on your microwave, so it might be a little easier. For this, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of super fine sugar. I'll tell you how I made mine because I only had regular sugar. And then you're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of oil of some sort. And then you're going to need 1/4 cup of popping corn over here. And you're going to need 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to need some tape, a bowl to mix, a plate, a spoon, measuring cups and spoons, and a paper bag. So let's begin. I'll put about like 1/4 cup of sugar into your bag. And then you're going to roll your pin until it becomes super fine. This is only if it didn't work in your food processor. And then it should be enough for your 2 tablespoons. So you're going to take your 2 tablespoons. I have a little extra. I'm just going to dump that in there. And then you're going to take your 1 1/2 teaspoon of oil. And you're going to dump it into. Or you'd be adding your 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Or you can add your salt at the end. Then you're just going to add your popcorn and well coat it. And if you feel that the spoon isn't mixing well, you can just take your hands and just go in. And now we are going to place this in our paper bag and we are going to tape it. You're going to fold your bag over twice and just tape the edges and place it on your plate. And now we're going to microwave this for 2.5 minutes, or until if your popcorn slows down, and then you will take it out. You're going to take your popcorn out of your bag. You might get something like this, a little bit of burning because of the sugar tried to caramelize. So the sugar is not as strong as the on the stovetop kettle corn, but you could definitely taste the sugar. I suppose if you didn't use fine sugar, I bet it would be more prominent in the popcorn. Or maybe if I used a different kind of oil, maybe it would have stuck better to the kernels. I've seen other tutorials out there where they use butter, so maybe you could try it with butter. But other than that, it has a nice light sugary taste, and it tastes like the salt. Alright. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make this paper bag popcorn. Thank you. Bye-bye.